Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to make some white bean soup. And when I make soup, I put potatoes in it and I'm going to put some ham in it. Got this kind of ham. And of course I'm going to season it good. These are the seasonings I'm using. Some white pepper, some celery seed, some garlic herbs, all-purpose seasoning, like that, Italian seasoning, and pepper, different colored peppercorns. And I'm going to use some chicken broth. And I'm using 3 kinds of white beans. I'm using the Great Northern beans, which I love. I've never had chickpeas before, but I'm throw them in there too. And I got some cannellini beans. These are white kidney beans, what they call cannellini beans. And I showed y'all the ham. I'm going to chop up some potatoes, put them in there. And I'm putting some carrots. These kind of carrots in here for color. Just for color, because it ain't adding no flavor. And I'll be using this as my salt. The chicken bouillon powder. So this is the salt. Okay. I'll be cooking in my Presto electric kettle. Show y'all. Right here. Okay. This is my way. Plug it in, and I ain't gonna turn it on until I got something in the pot. Okay. So I guess I can get it started. I don't like the way these water. See, we got hard water here. I don't like the way this leaves my spoons, my everything, appliances. I don't like that look. All the hard water spots. So I'm gonna start with the chicken broth, so I can turn this kettle on. Y'all see what I'm doing? Not too much, because these cans of beans, I'm using canned beans. These cans of beans got liquid in them. If I need to add more liquid, then I will. So I might as well put the beans in here. Now I'm going to turn this on to 300. I'm going to be opening up all this stuff. These got pull tabs. Already cleaned off the tops. Putting juice in all. Getting this goodness out of here, y'all. Those are the Great Northern. These are the cannellini. Like the different flavor profile. They're all white beans, but they taste different. These are the chickpeas I never had before. Never even seen none before. This is what they look like. Some of y'all ain't had none either. Chickpeas. Something I didn't do. I didn't bring a bag in here for my trash. You know, this goodness out these cans. Oops. Okay. Yeah, this is getting hot already. I'm gonna put some cream of chicken soup up in here, 'cause that's the way I do. I like a thick, creamy soup. And this soup has salt in it too. So that's why I have to watch what salt I put in here. That's good. Plate so I can cut this ham. I'm not putting all this ham in here. Open it. This ham is fully cooked. Still, I'm going to cook it. Smell it? Yes, it smells good. It smells like ham. Good ham sandwich. I'm gonna wrap this in foil, and then put it in a Ziploc bag, and then put it in the freezer. Let's see what I'm doing. So this is ham and white bean soup. And you know ham is salty, so I can't put any salt up in here. be good. I'm gonna put some more ham in here. This is flavor, y'all. Plus, this is gonna be a nice hearty soup. Wrap this up in foil and freeze it. Okay. Yes, I have a potato peeler. I don't use it. I've never used it. Let me cut this a little thinner. I can hear my grandmama now. Baby, you cutting all the potato away in the peel. And I'm not using my expensive knife, because this is the way I peel potatoes, and I've been cut my hand up using my good knives. I got some good knives. One of my honeys bought me some, and my sister bought me some. And I'm going to be peeling. I don't dare use those. My thumb would be cut off. I had this knife set when me and Walter got married. I don't know who gave it to us. I can't remember. I'll cut these potatoes small so they don't take forever to cook. I'm trying to decide, do I want to make cornbread or muffins? Rinse these, get rid of this. Should have cut it right in the bag. Pour them all in there at one time so that hot soup don't pop on me. Always look inside the potato, because sometimes it has that big old black, like a hole in the center of a potato. Scary. I would not like to put that in my soup. It's gonna be nice creamy ham and white bean soup. This is just for color, because this ain't gonna add no flavor. Carrots. It's kind of carrots you put in salads. Oh, that's a big piece of ham. It didn't get cut. Carrot looks. Okay, that's good. Put that up. Dropping stuff all over the floor. Out some. Put in some white pepper. Ground white pepper. Put in a little bit of celery seed. Like a pinch. But this will overtake your whole pot. Italian seasoning. There's no salt in here. Garlic, herbs, all-purpose seasoning, like Kingsford. This does have salt in it. Anything coming out? Very little. And of course my pepper. Let me see how this gonna come out. I want it smaller than that. No, it's too big. I'm testing this in the sink. Okay, that's good. You turn this little thing here to, you want to adjust the way the pepper grinds out, fine grind or big grind. And I'm supposed to be doing this over a boiling pot. Let me turn this down. Don't need to be popping on me. Taste this.
Oh, rice, love rice. I got a little rice. Yes, you got some. Today I gotta drink this.
You eat it all up.
I gotta drink this.
Okay, I'm gonna use, this is a half a tablespoon. I'm gonna use 2 of these. So I'm gonna put a tablespoon of this in here. Say this is the salt. It looks good already. Walker got to start drinking his stuff. His test tomorrow.
One of our feelings.
Okay. Yeah, put a little more in there. Yes. Y'all. Let me turn this down again because it's popping too much. It'll be done when the potatoes get done. I'm going to take this off so y'all can see. Let me see. This is my white bean soup with potatoes in it and ham. This is flavor upon flavor, y'all. And the carrot strips in there for color. Got potatoes in here. Okay. Decided to put some grated onion. I ain't chopping up no onion in here. And I'm putting in some onion powder. I prefer the granulated onion, because this is too powdery. It's like flour. Oh, you know what? No, it's clumped up because I've been shaking it over a steaming pot. Okay, that's good. Okay. You didn't drink it? I thought you was gonna drink that.
Yeah, I'm taking it out there.
No.
I got one for the day, one for, I don't know how I'm going to do this, 2 hours before. I got to be there, it's supposed to be at 10 o'clock.
Okay. I'll talk to y'all later. Okay, just wrap my ham in foil. And I'll put it in the Ziploc bag, so this is going in the freezer. Of course, I marked it. And I put, y'all saw me put the onion powder and the garlic powder in here. I think it needs some more liquid. I like my soup to be soupy, but it will also be creamy. I had to reduce the temp to 200 because it was bubbling too much. Okay, I will be back, y'all. It's 12:13 now in the afternoon. So by 1 o'clock, the potatoes should be done. Everything else is done. Okay, I'll see y'all later. No makeup. Got my corn muffins cooking. I turned this off. I don't have the oven and this on at the same time. And this is how this looks. And it smells so good. Let me see if these potatoes are done. Oh, potatoes are done. All right. Okay, here's the thumbnail. The soup is done. 3 white bean soup with ham and potatoes. And here's the cornbread. I'm gonna dip up my food. Okay, y'all, my food is ready. It's 1:05 in the afternoon. I got my little cornbread in there. Actually, I'm gonna crush it up in there. I'm gonna taste it for y'all. Oh, it's so nice and creamy. I'm eating a chickpea. I've never had one before. That's a chickpea. It's piping hot. Oh my goodness. Taste another chickpea. It reminds me of the Great Northern. So I got Great Northerns in here. I got, what's the other things? Cannellini beans, the white cannellini beans, and I got Great Northerns. So that's 3 white bean soup. Okay, let me taste some ham. with the beans. This is a good, hearty, creamy, well-seasoned soup, y'all. I make some good soups. I'm blowing stuff everywhere. The juice is nice and thick and creamy. Cut up a piece of cornbread with this juice on it. It just came out the oven. Oh my. Comfort food, y'all. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm about to get my eat on. It's going to be my lunch and my dinner. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye. Bon appetit.